can you tell me what it's gonna do? Like, can you describe what's gonna happen?
It's basically gonna go through that tube to that one, do an epic jump, keep going, bounce off that one into the tube, through the funnel,
xylophone, through another funnel, into a tube, through the ring of death, into another tube, does a U-turn, and into the basket.
Alright, let's see it. So slow right now. Oh. That is great, guys.
Very awesome. Okay, what if we do this? Dude, what if we scrap the blue piece?
Ryan! I'm not playing with you!
What if we do it like this?
Turn around! Come around.
Okay, what if we do it like this and we'll hold, yeah, and have one of those tilting sections here.
Omar! Come on this side.
No, okay, I got it. Where's the tilting sections? We have it like balanced here, so like so it goes like this, it hits it, bounces off, this one goes boom, and the marble goes down.
That can work.
So we need to somehow balance this. I think we can do that.
No, alright. Then we're gonna need another. Like, yeah, like, we're gonna need one of these.
If I did that.
That would work. I was thinking, like, you have it like this, and then it hits a marble into it. Okay.
You're making them walk. That's cool!
Isn't it? Because that come on.
I'm hoping that this will basically. Actually, we haven't quite finished this one yet because this one's still just basically gonna drop into nothing.
Well, let's see that
But
the basic principle is he pushes that, that drops down, and both of these marbles go at more or less the same time.
go.
Okay, go.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we are going to push this out.
Okay.
On this side, that's going to activate this marble, which will roll down into the tubes, make a jump, go down this way. We'll go over here.
Oop.
It'll enter this pipe after some banging around, and enter this funnel. Oh, oops.
Yep. Okay.
As it enters the funnel, it'll go down here, down like the xylophone, into the funnel, into another funnel, through the tube, through the ring of death, into another funnel, into a tube where it does a 180, and into the bucket.
Alright, so it's marble 1.
Marble 2 will be launched by this thing, go down, hit this Ferris wheel like object.
And we had plans from there.
And
Yeah.
what was the plan? Can you show me what it would have done if you guys had another 2 hours to go here?
There would have been another Ferris wheel here. The first one would have hit this Ferris wheel, made it go down here, activated this marble, which wouldn't have done that. It would have gone down this ramp, gone through here, entered here, went down the funnel, and then we'd have 2 marbles in the bucket.
And 2 marbles both in there.
Yes.
Alright, so should we see a final test run?
You want to bounce it like that? Yeah, that's hardcore.
Oh, yeah.
Oh god.
Alright, do
Let's
it.
go. Oh, that one. Dang it.
It's okay, that one missed. James, Charlie. How do you set these up? That was your engine.
It's great.
They're waiting for us. We really have to go. They're just calling me again. I really have to go. Sorry.
Alright.
They're calling. Oh.